Hey guys, warm welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hearty welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go and hit the subscribe button right now so that you will not miss any of my important updates on interview cracking tips and communication skills. Okay, so today we are into day 20, right? Today we are into day 20 of our pronunciation series, and in this video, we are gonna learn how to pronounce the numbers, dates, and percentage, which is very important for you to save your dates, talk to someone, and go for a shopping to buy something, right? So, by not wasting much time, let's get started. Grab your notepads and pens, and don't forget to record your voice note once you see the video. Alright? Wish you good luck. Thank you. And the first, let's start with numbers. When you see 100, how will you pronounce that? 100. Repeat after me. It's 100. 100. Red. Okay? Red. R is little difficult, but if you practice, it will definitely come. 100. 100. 100. Next, we have 1,000. 1,000. We say that in English, right? So, which is nothing but 1,000. See the pronunciation? 1,000. Right? 1,000. Repeat after me, guys. Okay? 1,000. Next, what we have here is, we'll go to pronounce the ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers, which is nothing but we use it for dates like 1st to 30th, right? I'll give you 3 ordinal numbers here. The first one is nothing but first. How you pronounce this? First. 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 Repeat after me, guys. Okay? First, which is nothing but here it is first. Second, what we have here is the number second. 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 And the third, what we have ordinal number is 20, which is nothing but 20th. We should not say 20. Today is 20th January 2024. Like that you have to say. 20th. 20th. Repeat after me. 20th. Okay? Good. I hope you are pronouncing after me. Alright? So now we'll go to the year, which is nothing but 2024. How you pronounce this? 2024. It is not 2024, by the way. It is 2024. Yeah? What is this? Yes, 2024. You say that, right? It is 2024. 2024. And the next, what we have here is percentages. How do you say that? 50. The symbol here, what we have here is percentage symbol, right? 50%. 50%. There's a sale of 50%. Yeah? 50%. Repeat after me. 50%. Alright? And the next, what we have here is currency. Currency. Which currency you are into, which you are living in which country, and what is the currency you are using? Let me know in the comments. By the way, I am using INR, Indian rupees, okay? Because I am an Indian. So what we have here is currency. The first one, it seems like E, right? Which is nothing but pound symbol. Pound. Okay? In British, they use pound. Here we have 10 pounds. Repeat after me. 10 pounds. 10 pounds. Good. The next currency what we have is euro. Euro. E. Right? Capital E, it seems like. So this is 15.99. Right? 15 euros 99 cents. How you pronounce this? Repeat after me. 15 euros 99 cents. Once more, 15 euros 99 cents. Perfect. Now, let's go to final. Last but not least, we have $1,000 dollars. Who want this? $1,000. Let me know in the comments. $1,000. This is the symbol of dollars, guys, right? $1,000. Repeat after me. The pronunciation is $1,000. $1,000. $1,000. I hope you got that. You're all set. Now you came to know how to pronounce the numbers, dates, and ordinal numbers, percentages, and the currency as well, right? So now it's your turn to record your voice note and keep practicing a lot, and you will be thorough in no time. All right? I'll see you in the next one. Until then, don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos to improve your pronunciation skills. All right? I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye. Take care. Happy learning.